The new BMW 4 Series Coupe brings back all of those feelings. It's pure joy to look at and to drive. It embodies the very essence of the BMW brand. The 4 is a forward-looking interpretation of BMW's enduring DNA. It gives you a good idea of how we want to combine the very latest in technology with a very strong and evocative design at BMW in the near future. The 4 also provides the basis for the all-electric i4, which will go into production in 2021. This second generation of the BMW 4 Series stands for even more aesthetics and dynamics than the first, and distinguishes itself even more clearly from its sibling, the very successful BMW 3 Series. This highly emotional coupe is set to delight customers who desire progressive design combined with advanced driving performance. It's a true BMW, a pure driving machine that sets the benchmark in its segment. And for the first time, we will offer an M performance model in the 4 Series. The M440i xDrive, which I'm sure you're going to have a lot of fun driving. Our head of development, Klaus Fröhlich, has been doing just that. He took it out for a spin on the track recently, and now you will hear firsthand from Klaus all about the superb driving dynamics of the 4 Series Coupe.
BMW has a very strong heritage. The core of BMW is an elegant and dynamic saloon. The 4 is the coupe version of the 3 Series, and therefore for us, an everyday dream car. The heritage which we used as inspiration for this car are like icons, design icons like the 328 or the 3.0 CSI. All these cars, they really express what BMW stands for. They combine elegance and dynamic in a very natural and daring way. In the second generation of the 4, we changed every single element of the 3 Series to give the 4 a very iconic and unique character. Not just the vertical and prominent kidney, but also the whole body side and the design language differentiates to a maximum of the 3 Series. The BMW double kidney is our strongest design icon. It clearly differentiates us from our competitors, but at the same time it allows us also to differentiate our own products from each other. As the 4 is a very important product for us, it has a very expressive and unique kidney interpretation, which roots, of course, to our heritage and to our first kidneys. But also in the future, every BMW deserves their own interpretation of a kidney.
For me, the 4 Series is the heart of BMW. A very precise, compact coupe with amazing dimensions. When we look at the already very sporty 3 Series, we have made the car nearly 6 centimeters lower. We have lowered the center of gravity, which helps a lot in cornering, and track is wider by more than 2 centimeters. And of course, we have a specific tune of the suspension system and of course, very performant tires. Because if you combine this chassis with this wonderful powertrain, 6-cylinder inline, typical BMW, 374 horsepower, 500 Newton meters, limited slip diff, and 4-wheel drive, which is always, as you might see, a little bit of oversteering, what I really love. Very good. And this is my last test of the car, giving it to the customers and the press very soon. And I think now it's to the point. During the development phase, I always told my team, make it precise like a scalpel to drive. And the team delivered. A lot of fun, a real ultimate driving machine, a true BMW. And you can drive it yourself from October.